Hello, everyone, and thank you so much for tuning in to another episode of Uniquely Tay. In today's video, I have a Dollar Tree haul for you. I do. You know I do. We have new items at our local Dollar Trees, new Christmas items, and I'm so glad I'm able to share all of these items with you all. For all of you that are new here, I am Tay of Uniquely Tay. I do DIYs, home decor videos, shopping videos, tablescapes, fake baits, and much more. If you like videos like these, you're in the right place to be. So right now, let's hop into this haul. But first, got to tell you all what happened to me just a few minutes before I got up here. Well, I had plans on recording this video, and then the Lord spoke to me. He said, pray. So I started praying because I just love the Lord. I started praying, and God blessed me so good. He delayed me from recording this video, but guess what? God is good. And he is good all the time, and his mercy endureth forever. And I just love him. I thank God for where he's bringing me and where he's already brought me from. And I thank God for being able to be here right at this given moment to give you all of these good new items from Dollar Tree. So this was not really a new item, but it's semi-new. We're going to say it's semi-new. So right here, these were so popular last year. These are the LED projector. Last year they had the ones that were all black, and the ones that were all black projected color lights, like random like blares of different colors. But this year, what they've done that's so different is that they actually added the different little presents and stockings and the sled, and they also added the snowflake. They added the actual holiday signs and characters and all of that good stuff about these right here. I'm sorry, y'all, that was my husband calling me out. I'm sorry about that, but back to the video. I got two of them. They had them in green, and they also had it in red. These are upgraded. They're not new, but they're upgraded, and I love how they look. I love everything about it. I can't wait to put these on my front porch. I had these on my front porch, and I got that idea from what's my girl that I watch all the time? I love watching her. Bargain Bethany. Bargain Bethany had the black ones on her porch last year, and those are the ones I had on my porch last year. I thought that was a brilliant idea. Pretty much the only thing you have to do, because we had some real cold weather, instead of leaving it out there, because they're battery operated, you just cut them off and take them in when you cut your lights off. So that's what I did to keep them from out of the element, because pretty much these are not per se for the outside. It don't say that you can actually put them outside. I know the ones from last year didn't say that. Yes, it says for indoor use only. So what I do, I put them on my porch, but if it rains or if it's too cold, I would definitely cut them off and bring one inside. And I did that like throughout the whole holiday season. And these right here, I had to pick up. I saw these right here on Chick on the Cheats channel. I said, I got to go get these. I have to go pick them up. And normally at my Dollar Tree, I have to search for a couple of days before I can find anything. And when I do, I was like, okay, these are so high end. They got the origami top. And I'm going to just go right into them so you can all get an overview of what they look like. I mean, perfect for teachers' gifts, for your kids, your friends, your family. This is the snow cap fur. Oh, it's strong. That's a good smell for $1.25. And I love the outside. I love the covering of it. And a lot of times I go to Dollar Tree weekly and I just look. That's just something I do. I enjoy going to Dollar Tree. And it folds right back up. I pretty much just popped it out like that and put it right back in. So it's easy to open and close. Great gifts. Perfect stocking stuffers for family and friends. And also, I got, this one is pomegranate punch. Pomegranate punch. It still opens the same way in the origami. The pomegranate punch is not as strong as the snow-capped fir. No. It's kind of weak to me. I'm gonna be honest. This one is stronger. So I recommend this one. Maybe this one may be stronger as you burn it, but from just smelling it, it's not as strong. I love pomegranate scents. So I picked this one because I thought it would be stronger since it's pomegranate. But I love the outside. I love the snowflakes. So cute. Perfect for the holidays. I'm going to probably either burn one up here by my tree or somewhere in my room. Because right now I'm in my room. And this tree here is in my room. Look out once I get all my decorations up for a home tour. I try to make sure I do a Christmas home tour every year. I try to do an overview. I keep my decorations pretty much about the same. Only thing I do is add little small pieces each and every year. This particular piece behind us is a new added touch to my room decor. This year I'm going with the iridescent white Christmas look. And I'm trying to tell you, Target, check Target out. That looks like very, very high end, and it was a bargain. Check out your local Target. And they have a lot of pinks. They have a lot of whites. All those good colors also too. And they have your traditional colors too. But that's what I'm going for. Simple, pure, white, and iridescent for this holiday season in my room. This right here did not come from Target. So I didn't want anybody to think that this came from Target, because it did. But you all, this is the end of my Dollar Tree haul. It was just 4 quick finds that I had to share. These were something that was new at my local Dollar Tree. This was something that I've never seen before at Dollar Tree, especially mine. So always remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you all for tuning in. And always remember to create, explore, and enjoy. And I'll catch you all in my next video. Bye-bye, and I love you all.